In this video, we are going to discuss about how to make lines in Microsoft Word using simple shortcuts. Now, if you want to insert a line, what you go, you're going to insert, click on shapes and then select the lines and then draw the lines. And then after that, you color code it, or if you want to insert another line, so if you go to, then you go to insert and then click on shapes, insert another line, and then you if you want to make it as a dotted lines, you click here and make it as a dotted line. So the problem here is, like, you need to adjust the size, you need to adjust the shapes, and it might not be in the straight lines. To avoid this issue, what a simple method is, there are few shortcuts which if you learn it, and then that will make things easier for you. Now I'm going to discuss about 5 different options, but I'm going to give you another bonus tip as a 6th option. First, let's look at how we can create a single line. For that, what you need to do is type 2 minus signs and then press enter. Then you get a single line. Then again, if you type 3 times minus, then if you enter, you get a single line. So if you want to make a thick line, then what you need to do is hold the shift button and make it as a underscore button. So again, if you make it 3 times underscore and if you enter, you get a thick line. So shift underscore 3 times, enter, you get a thick line. Now let's look at how we can create a double line. So if you want to create a double line, you need to use equal sign 3 times, similar to what we have done, and then press enter. You get a double line. So again, 3 times equal sign, and after that click enter, you get a double line. Now let's look at how we can create a triple line. So if you want to create a triple line, what you need to do is shift and then enter the hash icon 3 times. So for that, I'm holding shift icon and then 3 times hash and then enter. You get a triple line. Again, 3 times hash and then enter, triple line. Now if you want to create a zigzag line, though, for that, what you need to do is go to you see this icon, wave dash symbol. If you want to make it a zigzag line, 3 times wave icon, wave symbol, and then enter, you get a zigzag line. Again, 3 times wave symbol, click enter, you get a zigzag line. These 5 options to make a line. So now I'm going to give you another bonus tip, how to make a dotted line. To make a dotted line, what you can do is you click on the asterisk mark 3 times. If you enter, you get a dotted line. You can see here 3 times dotted, asterisk mark, and then click enter, you get a dotted line. I hope this video finds useful. Thank you for watching.